thank you for tuning in. This is the Glam Slim Body Contouring Supplies way of doing teeth whitening using preloaded dental trays. So I'm going to walk you through how to do a procedure. First, you want to use your teeth retractor. You have your client open their mouth, and then put that in the other side of your mouth. Close your teeth. All right, so this is now when you would want to take your before picture so you can show your client your before and after photos. Our first step is going to have the client clean their teeth using an oral brush up. And they're going to use the blue side and clean their teeth. You want to instruct your client not to brush their teeth before the service to prevent any unnecessary sensitivity. Okay, perfect. Now in your kit you'll have vitamin E stick. You want to break that vitamin tip off and squeeze, 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 squeeze all that vitamin E to the bottom of that Q-tip. And then just have the client rub that around their gum line. Last but not least, you'll have your black gum line protector. Now this step, I usually will do it for the client just because I want to make sure it's nice and neat. Just lay your head back there. Okay. And you just want to protect their whole gum line, making sure to protect the gums, but not get anything on their teeth. She's got a little saliva, so it's not sticking as well as it typically does. Now, if you ordered from Body Contouring Supplies, we have two types of preloaded dental trays. These are 44 CP, so they're very strong, but the client will not feel any sensitivity, but it does take longer to whiten. With this gray tray, you need to have it on the client's teeth for 1 hour for maximum whitening. If you use the white trays, they are 16% HP, and those get their teeth white in 30 minutes, but they are very, very sensitive. So just be very careful. So if your client is very sensitive, you want to go with gray. If you want to get them white real fast and they know that sensitivity is not going to be an issue, then go with the white tray. And we'll open that, and she'll insert that into her mouth. It doesn't matter which direction, the product is on both sides of the tray. We'll have her put glasses on to protect her from the LED blue light. And make sure you have from your sterilizer a fresh sterilized teeth protector. And then you want to push this all the way to their gum line as close as possible. So I'm going to need to adjust this a little bit to adjust to her height. There we go. lock that in place. And you want it sitting as close to the mouth as absolutely possible. Make sure they're as comfortable as they can be. They should not be adjusting to the product. They need to be adjusted to them, because as soon as you walk away, it'll move. And then there we go. So she's gonna stay on for 30 minutes. We'll check her, give her a break, and then we'll do another 30 minutes. Okay, so now we've finished. We just did 30 minutes. We finished our 30 minutes. I'm taking my client to the bathroom, and I'm just gonna have her remove the tray, clean out the tray, and then just gargle a little bit with some mouthwash. You can put it all in this thing. Huh? But take that out and take the tray retractor out. And then we'll have her gargle. Take this off of it.
No problem.
Just clean out till she feels nice and clean. Sometimes the little blue stuff can be stuck on their gums. You can have them use another little cleansing wipe to get that off if necessary. Okay, and then the mouth guard, we want her to wipe that off clean. So once that's clean, we're gonna do our remineralizer. This, I'm using the green formula. If you get a kick from me, it might be a blue formula, but it's your remineralizer. This just helps the teeth restore their sensitivity and helps the minerals go back into their teeth that may have been removed from the bleaching. So from our tray, they are just going to put that on both sides. Other side. Okay, and then she's gonna put that on, and that's gonna stay in for 10 minutes. Now you have a couple of options here. You can, before you do the remineralizer, a couple of options. Before you do the remineralizer for your client, you could put the retractor back into their mouth, take their after picture, and they can be done. And then you can send them with the remineralizer and they can actually leave, or you can just have them stay in the studio for 10 minutes with the remineralizer. No light, it just needs to sit, and then after that take their after pictures. But do not forget to take your before and after pictures for your teeth whitening, because that's your advertising. Thank you for tuning in. Message me, call me, text me if you have any questions. Bye.